Cleanomics sent us their Earth Wash for our review, and I'm really excited because I've been wanting to try laundry sheets for a long time. You can get a pack of 1 or you can get a pack of 5. They clearly sent us a pack of 5, which is so awesome. You can get the unscented or you can get the Ocean Breeze, and that is what we have here. So we are going to go ahead and open this up and try it out together for the first time. A couple things that I absolutely love about this is, first of all, like, look at this tiny little box. This is going to be so fantastic on storage. No more big massive jugs. And then speaking of those jugs, those are plastic. We're going to ditch that plastic, which is so awesome. So this comes with, I believe there are 32 sheets in here, and that can be used, they say you potentially can have 64 loads of laundry. So it will all just depend on how big your load is. If you have like a larger size load, you're going to take 1 sheet and throw it in here. You can do top loaders, front loaders, does not matter. You just pop it in there with your clothes and do your laundry as normal. If you have a smaller load of laundry, check this out. There are no dots down the middle, but look how easily that rips. I'm just thinking about someone like me because this is going to be perfect for travel as well. My husband and I like to travel, and sometimes we don't have access to a washer and a dryer. We've all washed things in a sink before, so maybe I just have to wash a couple pairs of socks or something. Do I even need this half thing? Well, it'll all depend, right? So let's go ahead. So this is water soluble. You're just meant to put it in here, and then of course as you start, you can already see that. Look at it starting to dissolve. Look at that. Oh yeah. So as you're just going, the washing machine is going, and then it's going to completely dissolve. Oh yeah. Like obviously you cannot feel that, but super soapy in my hand, like a liquid detergent would be. Smells super good. And yeah, this, as I said, there are just so many pros to this. Your space, no more plastic, easy to travel with. This stuff. Oh, and the smell. I wish you can smell it. It's fantastic.